Welcome back to my kitchen. We're continuing with the trout theme and we're going to do a twist on a family favourite of a simple crumbed fish. For this recipe, you are going to need a fillet of trout, panko crumbs, lemon, half juice, half zest, Dijon mustard, got some fresh chopped herbs, Parmesan cheese and extra virgin olive oil. Our first step is to fillet our fish. We'll get 2 lovely fillets out of this and then we're going to make our crumb mix. I have my fillet all skinned and deboned. Flip it over to what was the skin side down and we're going to put a nice layer of the mustard over the top. This is what's going to allow our crumb to stick. So we don't need to go too thick or we'll take away from the actual flavour of the fish itself. Pop a little squeeze of your lemon juice over the top. And we're just going to pop that aside while we prepare our crumb mix. Into our bowl goes our panko crumbs, Parmesan cheese, our fresh herbs, and the lemon zest. Toss that around. Little seasoning, and then add in the olive oil to create a paste. Stir that through. Just sort of going to form a slightly wet crumb. Once you start to press with the back of the spoon and it starts to firm up, you know that you've got the right consistency. The crumb mix is now ready for our fillet. Take your trout, mustard side and straight into the crumb. Press it down. Just want to get a really nice covering all over this fillet, along these lines. Add a little bit more. And then from here, we're going to put it onto a baking tray, into a hot oven, 200 degrees, and they'll take 10 to 12 minutes. I've sprayed the tray. Okay, into the oven. The smells coming from this oven. Look at this fillet, this is gorgeous. We're golden, it's crispy, it's crunchy, it smells divine. I can smell the mustard coming through and the cheese. The underside of this fish is cooked beautiful. It is a gorgeous soft pink colour. Let's plate it up. A really great side for this crunchy crumbed trout is a really simple beetroot coleslaw. Serve it alongside with some crunchy bread or some roast potatoes and it's sure to please everyone. I hope this one has inspired you to give it a go at home. It's a really simple recipe, so please let me know how you go.